It is. It's right there, I promise. There it is. There it is. There it is. Ah, so excited. Let's go get it. Give me a little heart. A million ways to Shea. Thank you, SheaMoisture. What's good? Watchdog.
Bow wow.
Here we are. Here we are, you guys. Too cute right now. Stop this. Stop that cuteness. Just so excited. Ah, can y'all see me? I'm so excited. Yes. It's here. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. This is actually your channel. I am Shanetta Jameer and I'm so glad that you are here, and you can also call me Shanna for short. So what I have for you today is on self-care. For those of you who are new, this is your channel for your everyday daily encouragement, your daily dream life, so you can have your ultimate dream life. We do that with self-care, wealth, and encouragement tips. So we're having changes to the channel. Welcome, subscribe, and just go ahead and get locked in because this channel is for you. And with, again, self-care, we have a package from SheaMoisture. You guys, I am officially a Shea ambassador. Sheabassador. You guys, this means that I'm going to be previewing so many products, so many great things from this incredible company that started out from the home with family, a family-owned company, and they just have so many wonderful products that are for your skin and for your hair, for even cosmetics, for the guys with the balms for your face and your beard and all those nice shaving things. And so it's just not for guys. You may have heard, but it's not just for guys, and it's for different skin types. It's totally all inclusive for so many people. So I hope you enjoy this part of the channel. So let's get into what is in my first Sheabassador box, you guys. So the box, again, it says a million ways to Shea, and it has a heart over here, and then right here it says hello beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Let's get into this. This is like the best part, right? When it feels like Christmas and ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see it. Ah, here we go. Looky there. SheaMoisture. This is awesome. It smells amazing just opening it. Okay. Let's get into the review. Let's get into the preview here. So here is the box, and this is what is inside. Here we go. Okay. So this is the SheaMoisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Clarify and Refresh for blemish-prone skin. Boom, here we go. As you all know, I've already been talking about SheaMoisture on my channel. I love them, genuinely love them, and I'm so glad that they just chose me to be their Sheabassador, so this is so exciting. Alright, so we have the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal, excuse me, so let me get that out. Oh, you guys, this has to be a baby that they've been working on for a long time, because they already have the charcoal, but they have the bamboo now. African Black Soap. This is the detoxifying foaming facial wash. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. Alright, you guys, so this is 7.8 fluid ounces. and it's made with fair trade ingredients. No mineral oil, no sulfates, no animal testing, and I'll put everything like on the screen so you see exactly what these products don't have in them, so you can be for sure that you're going to get the best of the best for your skin, things that is going to penetrate and be good for you, but it's not going to be anything toxic that just absorbs into our skin, because our skin is a living, breathing organ. So we tend to forget that at times. So I'm so glad that they came out with skincare, because they first came out with just shea butter for the oil, for the hair, for nourishment, but they really branched out. Next, we have the Hydrating Geely Moisturizer. Oh, here it is here. Oh, this is a moisturizer. This is a moisturizer. They gave me a moisturizer. Do they not know how much I love moisturizer? What? Here we go. Hydrates. Thank you, Jesus. My skin is so dry, but it hydrates with an ultralight. Y'all don't care about my skin. I'm just playing. But it hydrates with ultra-light gel formulation while helping to balance oily, blemish-prone skin. Now, next, we have the body scrub. So this gently buffs away dead skin cells and aids in absorbing excess soil. Ooh, look at this. So let me read you guys a little bit, because it is on their products about their story, and I just think it's so amazing. But our story: the Sophie Tucker started selling shea nuts at the village market in Bonthé, Sierra Leone in 1912. By age 19, the widowed mother of 4 was selling shea butter, African black soap, and her homemade hair and skin preparations all over the countryside. Sophie Tucker was our grandmother, and SheaMoisture is her legacy. Through community commerce, you help empower disadvantaged women who realize a brighter, healthier future. So that is one awesome, amazing thing, in addition to just this incredible story and these incredible products for all of us to consume, but that women over there, they get to enjoy just a wonderful, wonderful, appreciative company that really enjoys them, loves them, nurtures them, and they also make sure that the proceeds that we give in for these products, that they make sure that they have an abundance of income. They make way beyond minimum wage, either minimum wage or a greater wage than that. So I'm just so excited about that, and I'm so glad that we get to contribute. So let me go ahead and get to this as well. This, which is also in the box, is a SheaMoisture headband. So let me show you this. This is awesome, so I can use it when I'm putting on these skincare products. Yes, SheaMoisture, and I can just slip that right on my head. So I'm so excited about that. We are definitely gonna do this in the next video. So what I'm going to do now, this is the bamboo charcoal detoxifying foaming wash. I'm just going to put a little sample on my hand right here, because I'm just doing a skin test, and you guys haven't had any problems with them, but I have in the past with another company. I had bought like a cheap charcoal scrub because I have dry skin and I don't really have acne, I don't really have any oil issues, and what I did was I just bought like a cheap charcoal scrub, and it just was really itchy, it irritated my skin, it burned my skin. So I'm so glad that SheaMoisture, which I know makes wonderful natural ingredients, has something that I can try out. So what I'm going to do, and then I'm gonna tell the truth. I'm gonna tell the truth. So then now I have the bamboo charcoal body scrub. I'm so excited. It's got tea tree oil in it, and I'm going to just put like a little swatch right here so you guys can see what that looks like. So there is the foam wash there, and then here is the charcoal scrub. There we go. All right, and so I don't feel anything. It feels soothing. It's light. I don't feel anything at all. Let me do the bamboo charcoal hydrating moisturizer. I'm gonna do a little swatch of that for you all too. Packaging is just so adorable. Ooh. Okay, And this is 2 ounces. And this one is 6 ounces. So I'm gonna open this. Ooh, look at that consistency. Look at that, a little jelly. This is a little jelly consistency. And I'm going to do a swatch right here. So that's it on this end. There. Let me put it like how I had it. Facial wash. That and that. So I don't feel any irritation. And the bamboo is so strong. As you all know, it takes like 5 years for it to even come out of the ground. So let's read a little bit more. So this is a star-studded skincare routine. So skin health is a priority in achieving that red carpet ready glow glam. So 1 is required, a clean face. Put on your trendy headband, and after shaking well, pump our African black soap bamboo charcoal detoxifying foaming facial wash 1 to 2 times and massage it in damp skin. Then you're going to rinse it with warm water and pat dry. And number 2, the necessary must, is hydration. After a thorough cleanse, apply the African black soap bamboo charcoal hydrating Gel moisturizer to face and skin and your neck with the upward motions. You want to bring things up. And then number 3, no dead skin cells allowed. Head to toe beauty requires regular exfoliation with nourishing ingredients. That's right. Apply your African black soap bamboo charcoal body scrub to damp skin and gently massage in a circular motion and rinse thoroughly. So you all, that is it. This is the whole story. This is how we're going to work this. So I can't wait to do the review of these products. Again, like, all this feels fine, no issues there, and I'm super excited. So we did the unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Again, welcome to your channel for your daily dream life living. Thank you for welcoming SheaMoisture into the family, into the house of our wonderful, awesome channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.